Yikes. Holy cow, Cindy. Oh my gosh.
Here you go, Kay.
I know. Yeah.
No, he's got to look up. Start your car. He's gonna fight. He'll murder it. Okay, wait. If you're happy, you're gonna take it. Okay, go. Take your car.
Whoa, she's on that car.
Oh, Jesus.
That car.
Next. I only have a certain amount of food. Thank you. Okay, next. Next, Trevor!
Isn't it? I've got no more food for you.
Oh, the emu is there. The emu is going to eat Caitlin.
Just wait. Come on.
See, I just stole her biscuit. The emu stole her biscuit.
Give him the bread.
Wait.
My
She said no.
I got that videoed.
No, me. Give it to him.
He's got the big old tongue and she takes the bread.
Give it to him. Here.
My bread. Get your hair out of it.
Mama, get your hair out there.
Okay.
And she just got slimed.
Ow!
Oh.
God.
Devil was just in our car, and it was just. Oh my God! There it is again! Oh my God! Oh my God! Get it away! Oh my God! It's coming through the roof! Oh my God! Okay, I'm honking the horn.
Don't go. No. bad bear. Get down. Donald, he's gonna break my window. Oh my God, Donald, go! Can he get down? That's not funny. Get off my mirror. He wants the mirror. He just wants to see himself.
Mommy,
He's scratching my car. Donald, go.
no, Mommy, he's trying to open the handle.
Donald, oh my God.
Dad, go! Alexis!
Get down.
Let him get right here.
Get off of my mirror. You're breaking it. That's my mirror.
Hey, say bye to everyone. Bye. Hey, say bye to everyone. Oh!
Joyce.
Watch out.
Joyce, here's your bye. Thank you.
Look who we found. Oh shit! He stole my eggs! Get back here, monkey! He stole my eggs! Get back here! What you doing? What you doing with my eggs? What you doing with my eggs? Get back here, you little monkey! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey! Oh no, you didn't! God damn it! Bastard!
What?